This is a video of two people assembling an H channel in the Everpanel wall system. First, the channel is inserted into the edge of the piece you want to connect. Then panel number 2 is slid in and guided by person number 2, slightly kicked back, making sure fingers don't get pinched, and allowed to go into place. And we have a clean seal. If you want to touch it up, you can go in with a screwdriver.
Putting on the adjustable connector, we will slide this into place. As you'll notice, there is a gap because we are letting the floor win this fight. Snap this into place on both sides and it can be adjusted. Now we'll clamp this down and now we have a solid wall.